What's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the forum tag. So you will see sign up forms and the login forums. You've seen more for every each and single day, I guess. So this is the way you can use. So first, what you need to do, oh, here it is example of that. Here you take it as an example, but no, thanks please. So the forum tag has a what we call, there are two attributes to it. So first is accept JavaScript, a cc accept JavaScript. So you can put UTF-18, UTF-8. If you don't put anything, it will be automatically take UTF-8, I guess. The After that there is something called action. And the action of this will be putting URL, like what we're gonna do, like is action page, action page dot ASP, something like that. And there are more to it, like you can do something what we call method. So method will be post request, because in forums there are mainly post request, which and there are autocompletes, like auto complete, address level, line limit, birthday year, month, billing, everything you can put, think of, right? So this is the one of the way autocomplete works. This is the newer standard, though. This is not available in the old one. That's why it's a new thing. And there are encrypt in ink type, which I can give you one example because I know only one of them. Multipart and form data. The usage of is the it defines the attribute that it could be encoded when submitted to a server. And after we do that, we have name. So you can use any CS properties. If you don't know what CS, how to do CS, I have a full course. So name, and there are many things you can think of, like non-validate. I'm not talking about the global attributes because I have a full course on that too. Go check it out. Now for validate, I'm gonna give you this. So now validate. In that way, it's not gonna validate anything at all. The next thing is what we call uh, target. So you can use targets blank, like when it clicked, it gonna open a new window, or you can use the self, or you can use the top. So target, and you can use blank, parent, self, and top. That's great, right? And that's it, guys. This is the all about of forums. I'm not gonna use any of this because I already make like something like, wait, I can give you an example, right? So this will be example. So yeah, that would be a great example, I guess. Name, email, and birth date. That's a great example, right? So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.